Hey everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to buy a domain name from Hostinger in 2024. Whether you're starting a new website or securing a domain for your brand, this tutorial has got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to the Hostinger official website, which is www.hostinger.com. And once you're on the home page, click on the Domains tab, which is on the hamburger menu. From here, you can see an option saying Get a new domain. So simply click on it. In this text box, enter the desired domain name that you want. For example, if you want to buy a domain name for a car website, you can simply search hypercars.com. Once you have entered your desired domain name, click on the search icon. Hostinger will display whether the domain is available or not, along with the other related option if your first choice isn't available. You can scroll down for different other alternatives of your website domain. And once you have found the desired domain, click on the option saying Buy Domain. From this page, you can select how long do you want to subscribe to your domain name. And once you have selected the amount of years, click on the option saying Choose Payment Method. Choose your preferred payment method such as credit card, PayPal or other option. Enter your payment details and once everything is set, click Pay Now to complete your purchase. After your payment is proceeded, you will see a confirmation page. Your new domain name will appear in your Hostinger dashboard. And that's it. You have successfully purchased a domain from Hostinger. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.